What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I'm returning with a classic, baby. We are gonna be making some air fried lemon pepper chicken wings. You already know football season is around the way, so this is perfect for the occasion. Let's not waste any time and let's get right on into the recipe, baby. Let go. So to begin, we're gonna be working with about 2 pounds of some chicken wings. I drizzle a little bit of oil on them, and you already know we gotta give them a nice luxurious massage as we always do. And of course, we gotta season it up proper. Ain't no bland chicken over here, you already know. On the screen, I have listed everything you need to do so. Of course, don't be stingy, be generous with the seasoning, and make sure your chicken is well coated up. Moving on, go ahead and get that air fryer out, baby, and load that tray up. You want to go ahead and kind of give them a little bit of space if you can, so that they can breathe a little bit and get extra crispy. I'm gonna air fry them on the first side for about 15 minutes at 375, but you could go 380 if you want. And after that time is up, we are then gonna flip it and let it go for an additional about 5 minutes or so after the flip. And they are actually looking really good so far. A lot of people talk about this air fryer being overpriced. It is expensive, I'm not gonna lie to you, but as far as results, you get some really good results with this particular one. This is not no advertisement, I'm just telling you what it is. I feel like you get what you pay for. So like I said, stuff that right back in and let it go for additional about 5 minutes or so. I did crank it up to 380 degrees at this point. In the meanwhile, we're gonna work on that lemon pepper wet sauce, baby. So I got about half a stick of some unsalted butter. You want to go ahead and melt that into a pan. I got my heat to about a medium, and we're gonna drop in that lemon pepper seasoning. You guys always ask what brand do I like using. Lawry's is my go-to brand, and we're gonna add a little splash of some chicken broth right in there. That's gonna give it more of a sauce consistency instead of just like a oily buttery consistency if you just use that butter alone. So that is why I like to add a little bit of chicken broth, just a splash, you know what I'm saying? And your sauce is pretty much ready to go. Time to get our chicken out of the air fryer. Oh my, they look glorious. How beautiful is this right here? Go ahead and load them into a mixing bowl so we could toss them up in this yummy lemon pepper wet sauce. This has to be my favorite part right here, where chicken meets lemon pepper. Go ahead and drop that sauce right over the top and give them a toss to get them well coated in this goodness right here. And you are pretty much ready to plate up and bust down. Let me hit you with that B-roll. Looking good, smelling good, and I can't wait to dig into this right here. You already know lemon pepper is probably one of my favorite flavors when it comes to chicken wings. And we about to get into it, baby. Flats is where it's at. You know what I'm saying? That's all I gotta say. Flats is where it's at. Let me know down in the comments which one you rocking with, flats or drums. Let me know. So we gonna get into it. Cheers, everybody. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I was gonna say, let me tell you, but you already know this is bomb.com. You definitely gotta whip this up. Takes no time, takes no effort, full of flavor, straight banging. 10 out of 10, must try again and again. You definitely gotta give this a try if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave me a like so YouTube knows you're loving the content, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next video. Deuces.